welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you. I'm not feeling the best today, so I don't have any makeup on at all. I'm suffering from hay fever at the minute, so I've got really flaky, itchy, dry skin around my nose and my mouth, so makeup is not going to be looking the best today, so I thought I'd have a day off from it. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing because I just got a delivery through from Cult Beauty and it's my first time ordering from them, so I thought I would share my experience with you on how it came and what I bought. I didn't buy a lot of things, just a few bits that have been released and I wanted to try them. So it comes in like this grey plasticky post bag, and I ordered it on Sunday and it is now Thursday. It got delivered yesterday and I picked it up from the post office today, so it takes 3 days delivery, which it says, I think it's 2 to 5 business days, so it's not too bad. And it was free delivery because I spent over £40, I think it was. I think it's their 10-year anniversary, so they had some offers online where if you spent so much you got 10% off, which I did, and I think it was, I actually got 15% off. I used the code YOUR15, so you could use that one. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, it's just a code that I found online that you could use yourself. I think I did have to fill a little bit of, you have to join and fill the information part out to get that one. So I've got my receipt here, and there's like a little book that comes in it, and it's just like a little catalogue just to give you some rundown of some other products. This little carton, a lot like the Amazon packaging, like this. So I'm gonna have a look inside. Start sneezing, I apologise, but literally I've been dying for the last 3 weeks with hay fever, and the pollen is just getting worse and worse and worse where I am, so excuse me if I'm not feeling the best. And then inside it is wrapped quite nicely, whoop, in like pink paper. It's kind of cute. I'll go through the things that I bought. Oh, there's that little carnival stickers. They're cute. Probably give them to my niece. She'd enjoy them. So the first thing that I ordered through recommendation from my little brother, he's also a makeup artist and I will be getting him on my channel quite soon to come and do my makeup for you. He's called George, and he suggested the Ordinary Serum Foundation, and I bought a different one to him. He got the full coverage, I got the light coverage foundation by mistake, I should say. I meant to get the full coverage, but I'll just have to order that one as well. And this is a 30ml product, and I bought 1.2N, which is neutral, and this is the serum foundation, and that's the packaging. It's kind of cute. So I will do a first impression on this one when I'm feeling a little bit better and my skin's in better condition, so I'll try that one out for you and let you know what it was like. And then I bought the new Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. I saw this on Nikki Tutorials channel. Can't even think of my words, I'm feeling that shit today. And I thought I'd try this one. This is the Water Mist Original, and it's their setting spray, so I wanted to try it. It comes in this gorgeous gold and white uni carton, and it's 120ml, so I'll just open it up. Oh, I've just been for my nails done by my friend Min. Went for like this nudie type colour, and then she did like a pink stamp on that nail. It's cute. So if you're in the Derby area and you're looking for someone to do your nails, she's amazing. And then this is it's like a pinky shimmery setting spray. So I'm gonna try that one when I've done my makeup, obviously. And then I got what I wanted to order originally. I only went on to buy this, and then I saw a couple of other things that I liked, which is obviously the will of the way. And it is the Becca Be a Light palette in light medium. And this has just come out in the last couple of weeks, so I've been trying to get my hands on it. And it's like this gorgeous gold carton, and it is a face palette. And I will read you, if I can, what it says on the back. It says, harness the power of light and positivity, an all-over face complexion enhancing palette featuring our brand new Sheer Glow filter powder in 4 different finishes: brighten, blur, contour and blush. Formulated with innovative light diffusing technology, Sheer Glow filter powder acts as a real-life filter, visibly minimising imperfections and even skin tones to create a soft neutral radiance. Each shade uses varying levels of pearl and colour to blur and define and illuminate for the ultimate goof-proof glow. For effortless blendability and layering powder, this palette lets you build and customise your glow. And I like the Hourglass powders, and this looks kind of similar to it, but this was only £35 for 4 different shades. So I wanted it, and I wanted it now, so I bought it. And I've got to say, the packaging is stunning. It's really weighty. You can see it because of me. It's like this rose gold. Now, I never dare look after it's come in the mail. It's not smashed. And this is the palette. I mean, how pretty is that? That is stunning. So I can't wait to try this on my face. So you've got all over face. Wait, what does it say? I think this is number 1. It says brighten. This is a brighten powder. Use all over the face to brighten and boost radiance. This is number 2. It says blur powder. Use all over the face to blur imperfections and even skin tone. And then this is number 3. Contour. Use to sculpt and define your features. And then this one is number 4. Blush. Use on the cheeks to add a pop of colour and light. I think it says, yeah, and light. It's quite hard to read the back on that. It's like the cream base and then white writing. It's not the best, but yeah, it's got a gorgeous mirror inside as well. You can see that there. So I can't wait to try this one. I've seen a couple of reviews and a few of them are mixed. But I like Becca products, so I've been wanting to try this one, so I thought I'd get that. So that was £35. They've thrown in the Becca First Light Priming Filter to try, so I think I spent so much, so they gave me a couple of things I could try. I got a face mask and the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Instant Complexion Refresh. So I'll try that underneath one of the foundations that I'm going to test. And that's everything that I got in the packaging. Not a massive haul, but I thought since I haven't got a makeup look or the effort today to give you a makeup look, I thought I'd do an unboxing. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below as well if you've tried this palette and let me know what your thoughts are. I'm always interested to know what you think. And remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed so you can stick around and watch my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!